MPhil clinical psychology entrance examination love to ask questions on these three syndromes. We'll talk about Cotard syndrome, we'll talk about de Clerambault syndrome, and we'll talk about Othello syndrome. Cotard syndrome is basically nihilistic delusion. Nihilism, what is the meaning of nihilism? End. Everything has ended. So if a patient has a nihilistic delusion, the clinical history would be on the lines of things ending. Patient may believe that everybody is dead. Patient may believe that my own body is rotting away. Patient may believe that my internal organs are missing. Patient may believe that the world has frozen. So something to do with the premise of things ending. So this is called as nihilistic delusion, and nihilistic delusions are seen in a syndrome called as Cotard syndrome, in which patient usually present with severe depression along with nihilistic delusion. So Cotard syndrome, nihilistic delusion, things ending. Second is Othello syndrome. Othello syndrome, the primary presentation is delusion of infidelity. Patient believes that my partner is cheating on me, my wife is cheating on me, my boyfriend is cheating on me, my girlfriend is cheating on me, my husband is cheating on me. Basic theme is my partner is cheating on me. Why do we call it Othello syndrome? It is on the name of the famous novel by Shakespeare, Othello, in which the protagonist had this delusion of infidelity. In fact, a movie called Omkara was made on the same novel by Shakespeare. It was made by Vishal Bhardwaj. Third is de Clerambault syndrome. De Clerambault syndrome, also called as erotomania, it basically has delusion of love. So here what happens, a patient believes that somebody who is from a much higher socioeconomic status usually is in love with me. So say a security guard believes that Katrina Kaif is in love with me. He has never met Katrina Kaif, he has never communicated with her, but he has a delusion that she is in love with me. So de Clerambault syndrome or erotomania. So we talked about Cotard syndrome, nihilistic delusion. We talked about Othello syndrome, delusion of infidelity. And we talked about de Clerambault syndrome or erotomania, delusion of love. Important, would be asked in the exams.